Welcome to my first vegetable garden. This is my second YouTube channel. My main YouTube channel is The Rusted Garden. Today I wanted to profile the Roxanne Radish. This is going to be a quick video. If you want a large radish that consistently bulbs up, I recommend the Roxanne Radish. For example, now, sometimes you're going to get the stray, small radish that doesn't do much. But look at these beautiful radishes. Roxanne Radish, little bug chew on there. Nice, large, consistently big radishes. And then we can just go right down here. These have been growing about 6 weeks. They are ready to harvest. I mean, take a look at those. Here's another one. I mean, you can't get, I don't think, a larger radish than that. It's absolutely beautiful. They are really sweet and delicious when the weather's cooler. They start to spice up a little bit as the warmth comes, but you can grow these here in Maryland in the spring, get in a couple sowings, and then you can grow these again in the fall. Roxanne Radish, consistently large, red bulbs, sweet flesh, absolutely delicious.